Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you the easiest way I found to install baseboard around rounded corners. I'm going to be using these baseboard corner blocks you can get off Amazon. I'll post the link in the description below. So let's just jump right into it. First thing you want to do is mark the height of your baseboard on the corner block. Then go ahead and cut the block down at your measurement lines. Alright, next thing you want to do is go ahead and prime and paint it. I like to do it before installing it. I just think it's easier that way, so you don't have to worry about paint getting on the floor. You don't have to be bending over to paint it. In this application I did, I think 3 coats, but anywhere from 2 to 3 coats should be good enough. Alright, so next thing you want to do is install it to the corner. You can use any adhesive such as liquid nails or silicone. I used silicone just because I already had it on hand, didn't feel like making another trip to Home Depot. So go ahead and put a generous amount on the inside there and then press it against the corner. After a couple seconds it should stay in place while it's drying, but for reassurance I propped up a kettlebell against it just to keep it in place. Alright, so before moving on to the next step, you'll want to let your adhesive fully cure. I let the silicone dry for 24 hours and it was staying on there pretty tight. Next, I went ahead and sanded the edges down where the baseboard corner block and the baseboard meet, just to make sure everything was flush and to make it look as good as possible. I did make the mistake here of using 220 grit sandpaper. It caused the paint to have a trouble adhering to it, so I did go back and lightly went over it with some 60 grit sandpaper just to give the paint something to adhere to, and it did come out much better doing it that way. Alright, lastly, all you'll need to do is caulk your joints and add 1 to 2 more coats of paint and you'll be good to go. Hope this video helps some of you guys with the bullnose corners, and thanks for watching.